Welcome back to the vlog. It is week 2 or weekend 2, I guess. I'm honestly shocked that we have made it this far because it means that I, 1, edited the first vlog and got it up, and 2nd, I remembered to film the second weekend. And honestly, I didn't even think I would make it this far because I hate editing videos so dang much, but we're here. Vlog 2. We don't really have a plan for this weekend like we did last weekend. We're just gonna hang out. I have some cleaning to do. We're gonna kind of clean up the house, do some laundry. We'll definitely take Duke for a walk and just hang out. So pretty chill weekend, but we still wanted to vlog it all. But yeah, I'm just gonna like clean up the house, set my camera down. I got this, I don't know why I just said that. I just kind of just created this new hack. I don't even know if I created it. I probably didn't. It's probably very common knowledge. But I was doing my makeup the other day and I have my brow gel. This one's by Arches and Halos. And look at this. This is what I've been doing now to tame my baby hairs. And it is a game changer. It's like just puts product where you need it. Posted it on my IG stories, and a bunch of you guys said you could also do like a toothbrush and hairspray, but I really like how this one works. So I wanted to share this little hack because I just think it's so genius. And it like doesn't even feel like I have any product in my hair. Anyways, that's it. Now we're gonna clean and hang out. Like, does anyone else feel like all they do is clean and do dishes during this quarantine? Because I feel like every day I tidy up and clean and do the dishes, and the next day we have just a massive pile. I'm like going crazy. Richie is making some, well, we said breakfast, but then we realized it's 12:30, so lunch. What do we have in, Richie?
Some pizza.
Pizza, flatbread, and then avocado toast, right?
Yeah.
Woo! Luke, do you want to go on a walk? Do you want to go? Ready, Duke? Whoa. Someone's excited. Hey. Duke, sit. Come here. Good boy. Oh, sit. Thank you. So we are out walking. Pup. It's kind of crazy. We try and walk at least once every weekend to get a good walk in and get Duke outside. It's super windy, so I don't even know if you can hear that well, but
No,
Duke, you a happy boy. It's crazy how little amount of people are out. I feel like usually on the weekends there's like just hundreds of people, families riding bikes, at the beach by our house. Now it's just like a ghost town. Wouldn't you agree, Richie? It's weird. Crazy. It's like every week less and less people are out, which is good. But for us, we just need to get some fresh air every once in a while. But being safe, got our masks, we weren't touching anything, we're staying away from people, so still staying safe. Duke, are you happy to be outside?
I love it.
Are you a happy boy? Come on. Okay, so we're home from our walk and I feel like an absolute potato. I don't know why, but I have like no energy. We're just Hanging out on the couch. Ready to film this Q&A?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I could go to bed right now.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Dookie, come here. Come here, Duke. Okay, so I'm just setting up our little Q&A. There he is. Did you get the goods? We got chips and dip for our little Q&A because can't drink beer without a little snack. But I just finished setting up the little station that we're gonna have for our Q&A, but I wanted to show it to you. So this is all of the beer, and then we even got all of these different beer glasses to try and drink the right beer in the proper glassware. We'll see how we do on this, but these are all the different beers that we got. We have 8 different kinds. We actually got them from this thing called Taver, and it's this site where it curates different boxes of beer for you from breweries and craft breweries all over the US. So we're super excited to try this. They sent us this and I just cannot wait, but I wanted to show you guys this little setup. We are gonna separate the 2 videos, that way this one isn't like 5 hours long. So I will leave a little link down in the description box if you guys want to watch our Q&A. Good morning, it is Sunday. Kind of left you guys hanging last night because after we filmed the Q&A, we were just literally like potatoes on the couch for a couple hours, and then we went to bed early because our sleep schedule is all messed up. We slept in until like 11:30 yesterday and it was not okay because the day just flew by. So today we tried to wake up a little bit earlier. Richie already went for a run and I am going to make some breakfast, keeping it a little makeup free today, but yeah, it should be a good day. You guys, I'm so sad. I wanted to make avocado toast and this is all the bread we have left. It's like 2 butts of bread. So now I don't know what I'm gonna do. I've been eating avocado toast like my life depends on it. I think I'm just gonna do, Now I don't know what to do for breakfast. I was so excited. So I think I'm just gonna make a boring smoothie instead. I'm so sad. Oh well. Thanks, babe.
Hi.
Hi. Want me to make you one?
Yeah. Yeah. There's banana bread in there.
Banana bread in the smoothie?
Tastes like it.
No, look at your hair. Post-run hair. No, it's banana, blueberry, chocolate protein, almond butter, and oat milk, but we don't have any oat milk left.
Put water in mine.
I'll make you one. You're gonna get a haircut today. We're gonna give you a haircut. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. You're gonna get a nice trim. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. We're gonna give you a haircut. He's not excited. Okay, we're gonna give him a haircut. And it's probably about to look so botched. I apologize in advance. You guys are probably gonna think we're crazy for trimming him inside, but I've done it out on the patio multiple times and it's so much harder to clean up. And since we have the Dyson, I literally just vacuum it all off of our rug and it takes like 2 seconds. So That's why we're inside. I also usually have like an actual, oh my gosh, usually have an actual like dog trimming scissors, but I cannot find them for the life of me. So I literally have to use these scissors. And that's why this is about to look so botched, because usually I don't even know what they're called. Oh, good boy. Good boy. He's like, please no, please no. Usually I use the scissors that they're kind of like, they look like a comb on this side, so it doesn't look super jagged when you trim or when I trim him, but this is just gonna have to do today. And you wanna know what? No one's really even gonna see him right now, so you've got time. It usually grows out in like a week and then it's fluffy again. So let's do this. All right, now come over here. We're gonna get the booty flaps. Richie and I call these his booty flaps because he just gets this ridiculously long hair back here and he sheds everywhere. So I try and chop it every once in a while. I think he's done. I don't think he wants to do this anymore. Are you done? Also, look at all of this hair. Literally just from his head and his butt. So usually what I do is I'm just going to pick most of this up and then use Dyson to vacuum up the rest.
Did
you get your haircuts?
Now you look cute. You look cute.
Let me look at you. Hi. Sit. Oh, good boy. Do you have a good haircut? A little good haircut. Look at those ears. Look at you. Okay, so random, but Richie actually got me this beauty fridge. Where is it? Oh, this for my birthday a couple weeks ago. And I don't know why I haven't actually broke it open and set it up yet. But I figured since I've got nothing better to do today, I'd unbox it and stock it up with some skincare goodies. I've wanted one of these forever. You can put so much skincare in it, like your eye patches, the jade rollers, eye masks. It just said that. Serums and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna kind of set it up and see how it goes. I don't know where the cord is though. Is it in here? Oh, okay, so this is, here she is. Cute, cute. I'm gonna plug it in. Make sure it works, I guess, before I break it open. All right, plugged it in. The little light is on and it's turned on to cold, and then you can also switch it off if you want. It has a hot setting. I don't even know what that means. Oh, It says switches from cooling to warming. Interesting. Why would you want to warm? I don't know. I don't know why, but I guess if you want to warm up your skincare products instead of keep them cool, it has a warming feature. Isn't that great? It also has this nifty little handle thing. Makes it easy for carrying around. Anyways, all right, I like it because it's plugged in and it's silent. It doesn't have, I thought maybe that once it was plugged in, it would be like loud, and I'm really glad it doesn't even have any white noise. It's just super silent. So we move this over a little, try and get it so you guys can see this. Kind of set it up like, oh, like this. Is this even a good place? I can't tell. The lighting. Okay, so here we go. So I have a bunch of skincare products. And we will see kind of how much I can fit in here. So first things first, I like how it has this little drawer because I'm gonna put my sheet masks in there. So I have a bunch of different sheet masks. Let's see how many it can fit. They're all different, so, right. That might be it. Okay, so it looks like we got 1, 2, 5 sheet masks, little sheet masks. Go in the drawer or door. Nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna I have these This Works makeup removers. They're called No Trace makeup pads with rose water and mint, and they're so refreshing to either take your makeup off at the end of the day or just like use it to kind of clean your face even if you don't have makeup on. And I thought that it might be pretty bomb to have these kind of cooler and refrigerated. So I'm gonna put that in there. And then I also have this Works hyaluronic serum with vitamin C that I love using in the morning. It just like kind of plumps and hydrates your skin. I thought this would also be something that is really great, or could be really great to have in the fridge. So I'm gonna throw that in there. And then also wanted to do some eye patches. These I've actually been keeping in my big fridge already because I love having them cool when I put them on, but I'm just happy that now I actually have a little skincare fridge. These ones are by Pixie. They're the Detox Eye. Love them, they're so good. So we're putting that in there too. And then I'm gonna put this Kiehl's eye serum. It's a vitamin C eye serum. I think they just launched it actually, but I love it. And I'm gonna put that in here. And then I'm also going to put the Summer Fridays R&R mask in here. I have the Summer Fridays jet lag mask too that I couldn't find right away, but whenever I find it, will also be going in here. And then I have 2 face rollers that I thought I would pop in to keep cool. And then last thing, I have this eye mask from Kiehl's that has these like kind of gel beads in it, and it's kind of to help depuff your face in the morning. You kind of leave it on and it helps depuff your eyes. So I thought that would be another good thing to throw in here. I'm like, I don't even know if it'll fit. Kind of hard because I'm like, think of it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like. I could probably fit a handful more things in here, but these are the little face rollers and the eye mask, and then the serum is right under here, and I have the little gel pads and my vitamin C eye serum and the Summer Fridays mask, so, and the sheet masks. So perfect size. I love, it's deceiving. It looked small when I first unboxed it, but it fits quite a few things. Probably pop a couple more things in here, but closes and we're good. Look at that. for getting the sweet green. Yummy! Alright. Look! Where'd you look?
Oh, where'd you find it?
I didn't find it. I didn't even know.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't figure out where it was.
It's funny.
Excuse you. No. Oh my god. So good. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Delicious. I have to say, this is a very proud moment, ladies and gentlemen. Richie hated sweet green for the longest time. Never understood the hype. But look at us now. Look at us now. What got you hooked? What was the deciding factor? That song.
The sweet potato and kelp bowl. Highly recommended.
By one of your favorite chefs,
David
David Chang. Do you think you're into the sourdough starter thing?
Yeah.
What does it mean by like starter, sourdough starter? What does that mean?
It's a living part that you feed.
Mm.
So every time you make a thing of sourdough, you take some of it.
Oh. You can kind of keep that, make multiple loaves of sourdough with it.
Yeah, you can keep it forever. Restaurants have mother starters that are from like hundreds of years ago that they kept alive for that long.
Whoa.
Yeah. So you can like...
Is it kind of like the same, I don't know if this was going to come off like, if I'm totally missing the ball here, but is it kind of like the same thing of like how kombucha, when you like brew kombucha, it has that like, not mold.
Yeah.
What is it? Is it
like
mold?
yeast or something.
Yeah, like
that grows and
on the top, and then you use that.
Yeah, same thing.
Oh, okay.
Processing.
So what do you need to make it? Let's look up.
You just need flour and water.
Really?
Yeah. And you just let it sit out for like a week. And you feed it every 12 hours.
What does feeding it mean?
Taking some out and putting more flour in.
So is it like a ball? I'm so confused.
It'll live in like a cup or a jar. So that's so filling.
I know. I always eat half and then half later. Recruited the fam for afternoon hangs. Breaking, oh, whoa, Duke, okay. Breaking open my favorite beer from last night's Q&A. So good. It's the Fairmont Golden Pilsner. It's really good. It was part of the Taverna beer, like, tasting thing that we got. Taver. What did I say?
Taverna.
Taverna. That's a restaurant. Taver. Where we got it from. The ideal Sunday situation. 2 hours later. I like the beanie. Ready to make some sourdough bread and dinner and call it a day?
Yeah.
What about you? What about Roman?
Let's do this.
Let's hear it. What's the pitch? You're widely known as a horrible.
Alright, so we are making this sourdough starter. We have very limited pickings at the store because everyone and their mom is making pastries right now, so there's literally no flour. So we have this, what is this? Brown rice, whole grain flour.
1 cup. Okay. And then
There we go. Flour's in.
and a 1/2 cup of water. With warm water. Let it warm up.
What are we gonna do for dinner?
I don't know. Whatever you want to make.
Whatever I want to bake. Wow. Perfection.
Okay, cool. Alright.
Fork. Mix the flour in the water. Oh, this is really exhilarating stuff.
I mean, this isn't that entertaining. But
Is that it? Wow, there we go. It's water and flour.
it's really about.
And one day it'll be hopefully sourdough if we did it right. We're gonna make dinner, and thanks for tuning in to the vlog, guys. See you next week.